Hi, this is Tim. It's an exciting day here at Brandon Seventh-day Adventist Church. As today, we're paving. Complete Development has been here working hard to get the site in shape and ready for asphalt. And this morning, Capital Development is here paving. We've also had a lot of work going on the building. As you can see, the roof is on, the windows are in, and we're ready for stucco. Inside, the metal framing is done. They're working back in the classrooms to get the drywall in the classrooms. They've got started in the worship center, getting some of the ceiling done. And we'll be moving on through the stage area and getting all the drywall up. Hope you enjoyed this glimpse of the work going on at Brandon Seventh-day Adventist Church. Thanks.